students. Now we will continue our chapter more features in Word. So we have already learned about some of the features of Word like format painter and subscript and superscript. Here children, you can see this H2O is written, and when we will apply here subscript, it will look like this. The 2 will go lower than the next texts. Okay, and see here, when this A2 and when we apply superscript on this text, it will appear like this. The 2 will appear higher than the text. So this is how subscript and superscripts work. Now come to the next, applying shadow to the text. So in applying shadow effects, now what is shadow effect? When we are writing a text, under the text there is the shadow. In the previous version of Word, we were knowing is as word art. Okay children, we can apply it like this. To apply a shadow text, follow these steps. First you have to select the text. Whatever text you have written in the document, select that text, that click on the text effects and typography option present in the font group of the home tab. You will go where? To the home tab, and then to the font group, and then there is text effects and typography. When you will hover on the shadow option, hover means इधर से उधर जब हम माउस पॉइंटर को लेके जाएंगे, click on the desired option from the sub menu to apply the shadow to the text. So children, see in this figure, applying shadow to the text. In this picture you can see here, this is your home tab. Okay, and here in the home tab there is the font group. These are the font group, and here this is what? This is the text effects and typography option. Here you can see different kinds of text are given. इस अलग अलग स्टाइल में you can write your text. तो here you can give the shadow effect to the text, reflection to the text, and many more. See here children, write like we are writing word. One word we have written, we have to write in different styles, in this style, or any else style. Now if you want to give shadow effect to the word, here the shadow is beneath the word, above the word, by the side of the word. Here it is. See, you can see here in this I have written the word here, that you can see it. So these are the different kinds of effects that you can give to a particular word. So in previous version of the Word, it was called as word art. In word art, different kinds of, like this, here different kinds of word art was written in the computer, in the font group, same in the of the home tab. Okay, now in the new latest version of the Word, it is known as text effect. Text effect or the typography. Now move to the find option. Next of word. find option is very important and it is very useful in the word. Like children, you are writing some letter or essay in the word document, and you have written the whole document, a big long document, and like you have given a name hunter as a hunter. You have written wrong spelling, you don't know the spelling of hunter, so you have in all the places you have written the spellings as hunter. So to find to find at all the places where you have written the wrong spelling, this find option is very useful. With the help of find option, you can find the particular word in the document. Okay, and same as along with this find option, there is also a replace option. When you find the particular word you want to find in the document, you can also replace it also. See, this is the find dialog box, and using this find option, what you have to do, you have to just click on the find option present on the editing group of the home tab. Then navigation pane will appears on the left plane like this. In this figure you can see here type the word you want to search in the search box, then the word gets highlighted in the document in each occurrence. For example, see here in this document children, here the kind hunter, it is written here the kind hunter, but the correct is hunter, Hunter. Okay, so here you have to find where this is a long paragraph you have already written in the document, and in many places you have used it as hunter, Hunter, hunter. Those to find out when you will find with the find option, you have written here in the kind hunter here, and you have to find where hunter you have written in the document. आपने कहाँ कहाँ hunter लिखा है पूरे document में, आप उसको ढूंढना चाहते हैं, then you will use the find option. As soon as you will write hunter in the navigation pane, the hunter will be highlighted in the document. Here you can see it is highlighted with the yellow color, and the red margin here underlined, it is underlined here. So you can find where you have written the hunter. It will be easier for you to find it, to recognize it. Okay, here if you want to replace this hunter with the word hunter, so you have to click find and replace option. In the find and replace option, how will you get? You just click on the replace option present in the editing group of the home tab, then find and replace dialog box will appear like this. This is the find and replace dialog box. Here you have to just type the word you want to find, that is hunter you have written here, and then find what box, here find box है और इसमें आपको क्या find करना वो आपने लिख दिया. Then in the replace with box, with which word you want to replace this word, you have written it Hunter, hunter. आप hunter को Hunter hunter से replace करना चाहते हैं, you want to replace it with this word. Then click on this replace all button, then where at all the places where Hunter is written, you want to replace it with, okay, throughout the document. Then as soon as you will press the replace all button, or at all the places where hunter is written, it will change into Hunter, hunter. Now move to working with shapes. We can also work with shapes in the Word document. Now the next features of Word is also shapes. Shapes means that you can also use different kinds of shapes in the document. If you want to make any kind of shape, if you want to write the text in a shapes like this, there are different kinds of shapes in the document. Okay, there are, see, the shapes are, these are the lines, rectangles, basic shapes and block arrows. These are the kinds of shapes in the Word document. You can insert it. So how you will apply these shapes? Click on the insert tab. In the illustration group, here it is the insert tab. Then in the illustration group, click on the shapes option. Here is the shapes option. A list of these different shapes will appear. When you will click on the shapes option, any shape, as soon as you will click on the shape option, your mouse pointer will change into plus sign. Okay, your mouse pointer will change into plus sign. Is as in the format painter, when you will click on the format painter button, the mouse pointer will change into paint brush style, like that only. जिस तरह से फॉर्मेट पेंटर में पेंट ब्रश की तरह बन जाता था माउस पॉइंटर आपका, यहाँ पर आपका माउस पॉइंटर जो है वो प्लस साइन की तरह बन जाएगा. Then keep the left button of the mouse pressed at drawing the pointer to draw the shape. As soon as the mouse pointer will become in the plus sign, you can draw the shape as you have selected from the shape lists. Okay, the shape will be inserted in the document. Like children, if you have selected any shape, like circle you have selected, the mouse pointer will change like this. Okay, it will change like this in a plus sign. Okay, the mouse pointer will change into this plus sign, and what you have to do, you have to just drag करना मतलब ऐसे एक जगह से दूसरी. when you will drag this pointer from one place to another, this shape will be drawn in the document. It will be drawn in your document. Any shape, your circle, square, rectangle, smiley, any shape, it will be drawn in your document. Now changing the style. Here you can change the style of a shape also you have drawn. There are different steps here. You have to select the shape, and shape styles you will select, and you can color the shape and many more. Okay children, now you can also here change the outline also of the shape. You can also give no outline to the shapes. There are many options you can apply to the shapes online, and then also you can apply shape effects that you have also given to the text. That means to the shape effects, what you can do, no shadow, you can give the shadow also, reflection also, glow, soft edges, bevel, 3D rotation. There are different options you can provide it to the shapes also. Inside the shapes you can also insert the text box. Text box means you can also, if you want to write anything inside the box, you can also insert any text box inside the shape. For that, what you have to do, you have to insert the, you have to click on the shape option of the illustration group on the insert tab, then select the text box option from the basic shapes, and then mouse pointer will changes to the plus sign, and keep the left button of the mouse pressed as you drag the pointer to draw the text box. The text box will be inserted in the document. Click inside the text box and start typing. When this text box will be inserted, you can start typing. You can write anything inside the text box. To change the shape of the text box, if you want to change the shape of the text box, insert the text box, insert the text box, then format tab will appear. Here you can edit the option, edit shape option in the insert shape group. On the format tab is present there. Here you can select this and then click the drop down and select the change shape. Here select the desired shape from the list, and you can, here you can see in this figure there is the insert tab. Here change shape is here, and here these are different kinds of shape you can enter, and you can write the text in any style. Now practically see children, here this is the document you have made here. Okay, this is your H2O. I have used here superscript and subscript. Here I have inserted one shape here, and picture is there, and this is the reflection effect, and the shadow effect is given to the your picture. How it is done? Now children, you can see here, this is the word document here. Here, like, you have written H2O. Next if you want to write again if you want, like, I have written here H6 and O. And if you want to now give your subscript effect on 6, what you have to do here? You just have to select it, you have selected this option, then you will go to the here home, then font formatting, and this subscript. As soon you have pressed the subscript, you can see here 6 is here at lower than the next text. Yes, and then again if I am writing something else, okay, I've given your space. Then if I am writing here D2, and then here first you have to, what you have to do? You have to select this text, so we have selected this, okay. Now what you have to do? You have just press from here, home tab is here, and in the home tab font formatting, and then superscript. As soon as superscript is pressed, you can see it is down, and when if I have selected it, here it is selected here, and then when as soon as you will select this text, and then font formatting, and then here superscript, it will go above the text. Font formatting, then superscript, it will go above the text. Now it looks like D square. Here it is given here. Now if you want to insert any shape in the Word document, what you will do? You will go to the insert tab, and then shapes, and you can select any shape from here. Like this, I have selected plus sign. Here this will appear on your document. Okay children, now you can also format it, fill color. Here it is, fill color is there, the color is changed of the shape style is here, the style of the shape will you can select. There are different styles of the shape here. You can select different styles. Many styles are given here. Like this, you can select any of the styles of the shape. You can also give outline to the text for any color. The outline is given here. You can see here. Okay children, here you can go to insert, then shapes, and if you will select the shapes, and you can give any styles to the shapes. Okay, now you have understood. Now this is a picture. select this picture, you can also give formatting to this picture. Okay, font formatting is there. In the insert, you can go here, you can also make comment here, header and footer, and then many more here. In the shapes, you can make shapes also, add text also. So it is this is inserted here. Okay, you can also delete it also, you can select it and delete it also. You can move it also with this button. This is the rotation button. You can also move this also. So there are different, and this is the 4 arrow key. This you can drag and move it also. Okay children, select the video and then go to picture menu, and here it is picture effects. Click on the picture effects, then you can give shadow effect. Here you can see there are different kinds of shadow given under the picture, above the picture. Here it is at the side of the picture. If you have selected this, the shadow will go like this. And reflection, if you want the reflection at below, it is like this, then you can change also like this. Then again, if you will change the reflection, see the changes in the reflection. Here I've selected like this, then the reflection is changing. Okay, it's small, bigger. Okay, here you can see the reflection and the shadow. You can also change the shadow here, I'm giving the shadow like this. Okay, here it is shadow. Now you can see the picture here. Here it is the reflection is here, shadow is here. Here you have given the shape, outline, then color. You have moved the superscript and subscript. Okay children, now that's it. Thank you so much.